The past perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an ongoing action that happened before a certain point in the past. It is formed with had been present participle. This tense is particularly useful when discussing extended actions or habits that occurred over a period of time in the past. In this tutorial, we will reflect on how this tense can be used to describe water conservation efforts that took place in the past. One example of how the past perfect continuous tense can be applied to water conservation efforts is as follows. By the time the government implemented stricter water-saving measures, many households had been conserving water for years. In this sentence, the tense shows that the action of conserving water had been ongoing before the government intervened. Another example might be, the community had been working on reducing water usage since the drought began. This sentence illustrates the continuous effort made by the community to save water over a period of time. Furthermore, we can say, before the new water-saving technology was introduced, researchers had been studying ways to conserve water for decades. This sentence demonstrates the long-term commitment that researchers had to find innovative solutions for water conservation. In addition, we can provide one more example. The organization had been promoting water conservation practices long before the water scarcity crisis hit the region. This sentence highlights the proactive approach taken by the organization in raising awareness and advocating for water-saving behaviors. By using the past perfect continuous tense in these examples, we can convey the idea that water conservation efforts were continuous and ongoing actions that started before a specific point in the past. This tense helps to emphasize the duration and persistence of these efforts, showing that they were not just isolated actions, but rather long-term commitments to protecting this valuable resource. In conclusion, the past perfect continuous tense can be a valuable tool for ESL students to describe extended water conservation efforts in the past. By using this tense, students can effectively communicate the idea of continuous and ongoing actions that took place over a period of time. By practicing the use of this tense with relevant examples, students can improve their understanding and mastery of English grammar and expand their ability to express complex ideas in the past tense.